हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. देखिए राइट, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, अ कॉइल हैविंग n टर्न्स wound tightly in form of a spiral of the inner radius a and outer radius b. So first let us make the diagram. Okay, so we can make the diagram here. It is like this. Okay, so let us see, the inner radius is a here and the outer radius is b, and the spiral is tightly wound and the total number of turns are given n. So I can see what is the turn per unit length. You can see here the number of turns, right, per unit length will be equal to n, and this n is in how much length? See, this b minus a, right? So this becomes b minus a. So this is the total number of turns per unit length. Now I need to find the I current is flowing. I need to find the total magnetic field at the center. So what I am doing here, I will take, right, I am taking this one as x-axis. So this coordinate will be x is equal to a, and this coordinate will be x is equal to b. Okay, let us take any x here, and I am taking a small dx. Okay, okay. So let us take at any x, I will take a small dx here. Okay, so this is at any x, a small dx I have taken. Okay, so let us see, with due to this dx how much magnetic field will come at the center. Okay, so let us calculate here. Right, so db is the magnetic field due to all the all the turns which lies inside the dx. Okay, so let us see how much will be there. First, for one turn how many will be there? Right, for one turn how much magnetic field? Mu naught I upon 2 pi, and what is the distance? X. So I will say here mu naught I into 2x, sorry, because this is in circular, so mu naught I upon 2x. Okay, and with ds, and in this dx length how many number of turns are there? See, right, the number of turns per unit length is n upon b minus a and into dx. So this is the number of turns in this dx length, and for one turn magnetic field will be mu naught I upon 2x, because the distance from the center is x. All right, and this length I have taken dx. This is at any x, I have gone dx. Okay, so this is the magnetic field, right, and the small magnetic field I have taken dB. Now I need to integrate, then I will get the total magnetic field. So let us integrate here. So dB integration, right, and it will give you total magnetic field B, and this will be equal to, see, right, what are the constants here? See, mu naught I n is the constant, 2 b minus a, this is also constant, and this becomes integration 1 upon x dx, and the limits will be taken from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. All right, so from a to b. Now see, the b will become, see, right, the b will become mu naught I n to b minus a. The integration of 1 upon x is ln x, so this will become ln x, and this becomes a to b. Now you can easily say what will the answer? B is equal to mu naught I n upon 2 b minus a, and this will become, right, first we will put b here and then you will put a, to this, right, this will become ln b minus ln a, and that is nothing but ln b upon a. So this becomes ln b upon a. So see which option is coming. You can easily see option C, I think, right, mu naught I n to b minus a ln b upon a. So option C. All right, so option C will be the answer. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.